Hello and welcome to my room tour and review of staying at the Bee Resort and Spa Hotel in Disney Springs area, Lake Buena Vista, Walt Disney World. So I've stayed at the Bee Resort and Spa 3 times. Well, actually the first time I stayed it was actually called the Royal Plaza, then they closed it and totally renovated it and reopened as the Bee Resort and Spa. The hotel is located in the Disney Springs Resort area, which is within Walt Disney World, but is not a Disney World hotel. It's a 10-minute max walk to Disney Springs, and if you walk in another direction, about 10 minutes away, there are a number of restaurants, bars, a supermarket, Denny's, loads of chains that you'll recognise in an area called the Crossroads. So in my opinion, it's a brilliantly located hotel. Although it's not a Disney hotel, you do now get access to extra magic hours, and also you can book your fast passes 60 days in advance, just like Disney hotel guests. The resort has shuttles that run to all the Disney parks and the water parks roughly every half hour. They pick up, and they do a loop of a couple of other hotels in the Disney Springs area, but we found these great, regular, on time, and really handy, as it means you can stay at the hotel and you don't need to drive in Orlando, which is absolutely a necessity for myself because I'm not a fan of driving in America. I've never done it and don't really have any desire to do it. I've stayed there 3 times. There are varying rooms. Some look onto the pool, they're called chic rooms, and some look out over towards Disney Springs, and you can see the Disney parks if you look very closely, and you can see the fireworks also from some of the hotel rooms at the Bee Resort. I loved the Bee Resort. I thought it was convenient, handy, comfortable, wasn't too expensive. It has a great shop, the pickup, where you can buy snacks and treats and refreshments. It has restaurants, a lovely pool area. It's never really too busy, a bar area. I just loved it. The room itself that I've stayed in, I've always had 2 double beds, which is perfect. Some have a couch that you can sit in, and then obviously you've got your bathroom, shower, great shower, and lovely Aveda bath products provided in the room. It has a coffee machine, which was nice tasting coffee. You have a mini fridge, and you do have to pay a resort fee, but you get a couple of bottles of water every day left in the room as part of that, and obviously that includes your money towards the shuttles that you would use to get to the parks. The beds are really comfortable, and the room is very spacious. The staff have always been lovely, pleasant and helpful. There are a number of plug points, including right next to the bed, which means you can charge your phones and gadgets. The room is air conditioned, although it can be a little noisy, but I found it very comfortable. The lift music is groovy. The Vineland Premium outlets are only about a 5-minute taxi ride away, which is very convenient, and it's not difficult to get to, say, Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure, iDrive via Uber. There's also free Wi-Fi right throughout the hotel, which also reaches to the pool area as well, so that's really great. And I found the Wi-Fi to be perfect. It was great. I never had any issues with it at all. Overall, I really liked the Bee Resort and Spa. I've stayed there, as I say, a number of times, 2 years in a row, and I can't say that you would get a better recommendation if someone's going back to a hotel. I've never stayed at a Disney hotel. However, I really liked being that close to Disney Springs, as you could walk down of an evening and walk around the shops and go out for dinner. It was perfect. I really enjoyed staying there, and I really hope to stay there again in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. I love to hear from you. Please like me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.